Hey everyone, welcome to my screencast. And today I'm focusing on Etsy. I really like Etsy a lot. They have such a wide variety of products, and I could spend hours scrolling on the app. There's just so many things. But we're on the website version today, and this site allows anyone to sell their own product. They're usually homemade and have like a DIY vibe to them, but they're still really high quality. There's also a lot of factory manufactured items, but it's not anything you can find in a store. It's all really unique and crafty. And basically, I really like this site. It's super simple to use and laid out really nicely. But first, I'm going to focus. There's two roles, and you can be a seller on Etsy. I've never been a seller, but it has this really easy option to help you get started with that. I've heard it's pretty simple too, and you can sell whatever you want, set up your site, and there's fees and stuff, but I've never done that. But I am a frequent buyer, and it's really nice because it has all these categories laid out, so it makes it really easy for the user to know exactly what they're buying. And in the Done article, it states you want to make it easy for your readers to find main rooms, and Etsy does that with all of these simple tabs up here. And since I have an account, the front porch is very welcoming, and it's customized to me. And it has our top picks, my recently viewed, recently favorited. It has all these things that are related to me, and they remember all that, so they can sell me more products. And it's Big Little season, by the way, so there's like a lot of clothing and accessories here. So that's why it's plastered with sorority letters. Also, something I really enjoy is this Discover page, and it's also like a personalized page, like from my recent searches, and I really like this because it's super aesthetically pleasing. Like, they have all these really cute pictures that they find. Like, recently I was like looking at jewelry and favorited a bunch, and these are all super cute. And they have themes too, like coffee lovers. Yeah, why not? Graduation, just anything cute and crafty, and that is really nice to have for a user. Makes it easy to shop. Next, we could go into my profile. It has this category for favorites, and it always keeps everything that I've ever there's a little heart button right here, so you just press that and it automatically puts in your favorites. And it's basically everything I've ever favorited, and people can follow you. I don't really have a lot of followers, but that's okay. And something else is, this is a really cool thing. There you could like have a chat room and a conversation with your seller, because usually everything is super personalized, so things can get a little confusing, and Etsy just really wants to make sure that buyers get exactly what they want. Like, this lady had a little bit of a confusing bio, and I misinterpreted it, but I got a free button out of it, so that was super cool. And it also has purchases and reviews. And it basically just has everything I've ever bought from Etsy, what all the sellers. It has buttons to simply contact the shop or view the receipt, and I always track the package. Overall, it's a great site. It has great tools that makes it easy to navigate, as I have shown. It's very welcoming and really great with its layout. Thanks for listening.